In this question, you need to use all the knowledge that you have about triangles and parallelograms and parallel lines in order to answer the question. Now, something that is just very important is the fact that they are giving you four sides that are equal, which means that if you take a look at those two sides over there, they are equal, meaning that that angle over there and that angle over there would be equal. That's a property of equilateral triangles. But then they're also telling us that SC and SR are equal, which means that that angle over there and that angle over there would also be equal. Again, that is a property of an equilateral triangle. However, bear in mind that those two angles are not necessarily the same. That's one important thing. Don't think because you've got four sides that are equal that all four angles must necessarily be equal. Then also, if you take a look at the fact that they are telling you that that side and that side are equal in length, it doesn't look like it on the sketch. And that's a very important thing. You should never go according to what it looks like on the sketch. Never. You must always go with the information that you have, the mathematical theorems and the deductions of those. So what you need to do is to find a way to work from that triangle over there to this triangle over here so that you can answer the question, which is to find the size of angle B. Now, I don't want to give too much away because I also want you to be able to work through this question by yourself. So hoping this just gives you a little bit of a kickstart to know how to treat this question so that you can work via the top triangle to the bottom triangle to actually answering the question. Just bear in mind that you also have this parallelogram. So you've got those two sides being parallel, and you are given that those two sides are parallel on the sketch, not in the original information, but on the sketch you are given that those two sides are parallel. You can look at the arrows indicated there, which means that you can also use the properties of a parallelogram. Very important. You need to know the theorems of parallelograms so that you can use those properties, or alternatively you can use the properties of parallel lines. You need to decide, but you need to work from the top triangle to the bottom triangle in order to answer this question.